Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I mean, it's technically not my YouTube channel, it's my mother's, but yeah. Today we are going to cook some white sauce pasta, and here are the ingredients. Firstly, we have the penny pasta, then we have cheese, we have carrots over here, we have some boiled baby corn over here, we have some mushrooms, we have milk, we have mixed herbs, we have red chili, and we have some capsicum, we have butter over here, and what is this?
Black pepper.
Yeah, we have some black pepper over here, and we have some maida or white flour, and here's some oregano and salt. That's all for the ingredients, and we have boiling water ready for our pasta. So let's begin. Firstly, we'll be putting some salt into the boiling water. I mean, 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon would be fine. Nextly, we will put our pasta into it, and I spoiled it already. And we are gonna let it boil for some time. So how much time do we exactly need? I guess 10 minutes would be fine. Right?
No.
Our pasta is completely boiled and it's ready to be cooked. Next step, we are going to fry our veggies. We'll be using butter for that, so just put some butter on the make sure the flame is low. Mushrooms over here. We're just gonna fry it over. After stirring it for a few minutes, our veggies are done now, and we'll be taking this out in a bowl. Let's get to the next step. We are going to make our white sauce for the pasta. So first, we are going to take some butter and put that in, and just make sure that the flame is on low. Our quantity is a bit more, so we are going to take some more butter, and we're going to mix this a bit. Once this is all spread, just make sure that it is spread well, and right after that we are going to put some maida in it or white flour. Just make sure you take it in a spoon and put it slowly rather than pouring it on all in. You need to mix this well. Now our next step would be adding our milk. And we have added two glasses of milk over here, and we just have to let it stir for some time. Make sure it is cooked well. You just need to stir it well and make sure once it's cooked well, it will be more thicker. So you have to give it some time. Our cream is ready now. We have stirred it for a few minutes and it's become a lot thick. So our next step would be adding oregano. We're gonna add some oregano and we're gonna add some salt and add some mixed herbs in it. And here's some red chili flakes. Just make it according to the spice you need. And you're gonna stir it well. Just gonna stir it well. The sauce is pretty much ready. We're just gonna stir it well. Next, we are going to add our veggies in. Just put all the veggies that you have fried earlier and add that in. Mix it well. Next, we are going. Our final step would be adding the pasta in to our sauce. A little more pasta is left. Wait a second, guys. We're gonna mix it well. The key to good cooking is mixing the food well. So now we are going to let it cook on medium flame for 5 minutes at least. Our pasta is all ready now, and now we're gonna take it out on a plate. Our pasta is ready. Now we are going to garnish it with some black pepper and with some oregano and with some chili flakes. And on top, we are just gonna grate some cheese over it to enhance the taste. This is our final product, and let me know if you try yourself and mention how it goes in the comment. And make sure to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.